Hi, today we're going to go over something a little weird. The second most popular videos on my YouTube channel by the analytics are the videos in which I talk about either getting around or temporarily disabling various safety systems on your new Toyota. That's kind of disturbing to me. That shouldn't be that popular, but it is. So I want to get into it a little bit deeper because I'm realizing that some people really want to know this stuff, and I'm going to address it. So I've also been on a bunch of Facebook forums and everything else, and a really common complaint is that the pre-collision system is too sensitive and it's hitting the brakes when it shouldn't, and people are very distressed about this, and they think that the solution is to disable the systems. That probably accounts for why those videos are so popular. So I've started looking into this, and I've got 3 different ways that we're going to go over how to deal with this. The first way, I really want to stress, I do not recommend. I don't think you should do this. There are some legal reasons. There's some liability reasons. If you were to ever hit anybody and a prosecuting attorney or a plaintiff's attorney decided to check and see if you have disabled your systems, you could be in some trouble. So I'll leave that up to you, but if you really want to turn off the pre-collision system, it's actually really simple. I'm showing you on a Toyota Highlander, but it works in anything that we have. This is the traction control off button. Push and hold this button for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, now the pre-collision system is off. Okay, it'll be in that condition until you restart the vehicle, or if you hit the button again. All right, now everything is back on. Let me show you the second way, and this one makes a little bit more sense. We're going to use our settings. We're going to scroll down here to our settings, and we're going to slide across to that one. That's the pre-collision system. We're going to push and hold the OK button, and we're going to reduce the sensitivity. So now it's on minimum sensitivity. So that way it's going to be less likely to kick in. So that's the second method of reducing the number of times the pre-collision system kicks in. Okay, here's the third way. Ease up. Start braking earlier. And I know this is a tough pill to swallow. Nobody wants to hear that they're a bad driver, and I'm not saying you're a bad driver. However, if this system is kicking in on a regular basis, it tells me you are braking at the last moment, and that's not good. Start braking a little sooner. Give it a little bit more space, a little bit more time. You don't have to get up there that quick. I've been in customers' cars who tell me they have this problem. I get in and drive, and it never does anything. I let them drive, and I realize they are really riding up on other cars pretty hard. So ease up. So yeah, it's tough to take that, but that's really the best solution. Just stop braking at the last second. And the side benefit to that is you're going to save on your brake wear. So you're not going to have to go through brakes nearly as often. So I hope this is helpful. This just goes into the 3 different ways. I'm Steve Clifford. Thanks for watching.